I will never forget the moment I first opened the box. Even before I touched them, I knew these white wedding pumps were something special. Carefully, almost reverently, I lifted the lid, and there they were. A soft, shimmering white, delicate yet strong, with a perfect high heel and a silhouette that seemed to promise magic. I ran my fingers gently across the satin surface. It felt smooth, almost like touching a cloud. The light caught on their curves and made them glow. These weren't just shoes. They were a dream, my dream, waiting to come true. I sat down slowly, the anticipation humming inside me. I slipped my foot into the first pump, feeling the soft interior welcome me, as if it had been made just for me. Then the second. I stood up carefully, feeling the slight, thrilling elevation the heels gave me. In that moment, something shifted. I was no longer just trying on shoes. I was stepping into a vision of myself. The woman who had dreamed, waited, hoped. The woman who believed in fairy tales and in writing her own. I walked a few steps, hearing the delicate click of the heels against the floor. It was such a soft sound, but to me, it was music. A song that spoke of love, new beginnings, promises yet to be made. I turned to the mirror, my heart beating faster. There I was, standing tall in my white pumps, and for the first time, I saw myself not just as I was, but as I would be, walking slowly down an aisle, every eye on me, every step taking me closer to a new chapter of my life. The shoes completed the picture. They didn't scream for attention. They whispered elegance, grace, and quiet strength. The slender heels made my legs look longer, my posture straighter, my whole presence more radiant. With every small adjustment of my stance, the pumps held me firmly, lovingly. I could already imagine how they would carry me through that once-in-a-lifetime day, and how long after the ceremony, they would still be mine, carrying the memories of every precious moment. I walked a little more confidently, imagining the hem of a white dress brushing against my ankles, the soft pressure of a bouquet in my hands. I could almost hear the music, see the smiles, feel the love that would fill the air. These pumps were more than beautiful. They were symbolic of a journey, of dreams fulfilled, of courage and tenderness woven together. They represented the most intimate parts of my heart, my hopes, my vulnerability, my joy. Even after the wedding day would be over, I knew these pumps would live on, treasured, not just for their beauty, but for the feelings they stirred deep within me. This wasn't just about wearing a pair of white wedding pumps. It was about embracing the woman I was becoming. And these shoes would walk that beautiful journey with me, step by loving step.